get in here.
No! Stay away! Don't cut me! No! No!
Come on, you're spazzing because you just got shot.
No, I was freaking stabbed!
You're stabbed.
Oh my god! I hate you guys.
Are you doing it?
Do it for Frederick.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
No! Please, don't stab me!
Smells better. A little bit. Alright, but when people stab, they don't die right away.
One more remark about my death scene, I swear to God. Do I have to do it again?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's
You
perfect.
gotta, like, be more dramatic. Like, okay, let me show you. Let me give you the...
Okay, then you pretend like you're murdering me. Then that'll be better.
Alright.
I feel like this might happen in real life.
Will you give me a tissue while you're out there? Why, guys? Mama scars.
What? I wish I was here.
I can't ask you about them.
Hey, my food!
She slit your throat already.
No, I didn't. Oh my god. I haven't killed you yet. No, I didn't kill you yet. I'm dead, okay? I'm gonna come up and eat you.
Ew. Gross.
Yippee.
Alright, you're dead. You're back alive.